Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone and you're watching my Project 2 screencast for Mobile Interfaces and Usability 1211. So this project I actually struggled with a bit, mainly just because when I added the jQuery mobile to my apps, it really made my CSS go haywire, and seeing my app all disheveled, it just set me straight into design mode. So I was having a lot of trouble getting into programming mode to really work with it, so I had to go in and at least make my design stuff passable. That's still a work in progress though. Anyways, let's move on to the apps. For the bronze app, I chose the one window drill down, mainly just because it has more of an old school kind of low tech feel to it. And the thumbnails at the moment will work better with the way I'm planning on programming it. I do like the thumbnails a lot, and if I can figure out a way to make them work with the list inlay, they may get moved over to my gold app, but as of right now, they just work better with the one window drill down. As of right now, the thumbnails, they just go to an error 404 message, but I am working on some code to get those to populate. There was one thing that I wasn't able to fix that jQuery mobile caused. It happens in both apps. It's actually this blue box right here. It covers up an event and a half, basically. Every time I try and target the specific element that's causing that, it either gets overwritten by JQ Mobile CSS, or if I add an important tag to that, it makes my entire app go white. So I'm not sure how to work around that. I'm still working on it. Hopefully I can get figured out really soon because it's actually really bugging me. Anyways, let's move over to the gold app. I chose the list inlay just because it has more of a high-tech, I guess you could say a fancy feel to it. And then the thumbnails plus text just work better on a button, so they work better with list inlay. Again, if I can figure out how to work make the thumbnails work with a list inlay, they will get switched around. And I'm also trying to get rid of the stock theme buttons. I'm not a big fan of those, especially since I can't move my text to line up with the thumbnails. Again, more works in progress. Now, my browse feature does not currently populate dynamically. I haven't been able to crack the code with that. jQuery mobile doesn't seem to play nice with my JavaScript, so I might have to do a complete rethink to get that working. So I just had to hard code all my dates into my index.html. I moved them into chronological order. It is a calendar app, so it just makes more sense to have the event that's coming up first be at the top of the list. And my search does search through the individual events, but it does not hide the events that don't match the criteria of the search. I'm not 100% why it doesn't do that, because it does hide the categories. Again, more works in progress. And I guess that's about it. This has been Eli Freestone, Project 2 for MIU 1211. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.